On an Excel screen, the area just below the ribbon is referred to as the formula bar. The formula bar right here contains information if the active cell contains information, otherwise it will be blank. If I click, for example, in cell J1, we see that it contains precipitation. If I click J7, it will be number, and if I click blank, it will be show nothing. Now the reason is called formula bar is if I go to a cell which contains a formula, the formula will be visible here in the formula bar. Here the formula is displayed, as you see, because as you move the active cell around, either by pressing arrow keys or pointing with the mouse and clicking somewhere, you want to know whether a cell contains a value or a text or a formula. It is very common to look at the formula bar frequently. There are many shortcuts and other tools for finding formula that we'll discover in this course. For now, keep the point that the formula bar is extremely useful to let you know what is going on each individual cell.